ABC iView lesson part 2, getting the most out of iView on your TV. In part 1, we covered the basics, signing in, navigating through content, playing live TV as well as catch-up TV and searching. In part 2, we will unlock some really handy features like adding programs to your watch list, a quick start from beginning feature for live TV, and using subtitles. Let's get straight into it. Let's start by adding a program to your watch list. If you are browsing the iView library and you see a program you would like to watch later, you can save it now so you don't have to find it again. To do this, move down to Add to Watch List. Press Enter here and it is now saved. To find it again, go back to your home screen and then move down to Watch List where you'll see your saved programs. Here's a useful tip for when you're watching live TV. You can pause live TV. You can take a call, make a cup of tea, come back, press play, you've missed nothing. You can also rewind live TV back to any point. There is also a quick link to start the program from the beginning. Click here and select Watch from Start. This will bring you straight back to the beginning of the current program. And finally, activating subtitles. There are two methods for turning subtitles on and off. The first is press Enter while the program is playing and then select the subtitles icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, select On. They will now play with subtitles. Use the same method to turn off. The second option is if your TV has voice control, press the voice button and simply say Subtitles On. These are just a few features of ABC iView. So now you know how to add programs to your watch list, start live programs from the beginning, and how to use subtitles. Also, let me know in the comments what you are watching on ABC iView. Subscribe or follow Tech with Tony to receive new tips and to explore the back catalogue. I'll see you there.